Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the OnePlus Nord 2. On the front, you can see the phone's name. Let's open the box. First we have the phone. OnePlus Nord 2 comes with a punch hole display. The phone has a 50 megapixel triple camera setup. You can also see OnePlus logo at the back of the phone. The phone looks super stunning. Next, we have this lid. Inside it, you can see the SIM ejector tool. Documentation like a quick start guide, a safety information guide, and a red cable club card. Here is a transparent back cover which will protect your phone. Next is a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. A 2-pin wall charger that supports 65 watts of fast charging. So guys, the smartphone offers a 6.43-inch Fluid AMOLED display having a pixel density of 409 ppi and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. OnePlus Nord 2 has a bezel-less punch-hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. On the right spine, you will find the alert slider and the power button. On the other side, the phone has a volume rocker. On top, there is a secondary microphone. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack, and a speaker grill. OnePlus Nord 2 comes with a triple camera setup with the OnePlus logo at the back. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internals. OnePlus Nord 2 comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset with 6nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 6GB of RAM, and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB. OnePlus Nord 2 offers a 4500 mAh battery powered by a 65-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera specs, the phone features a 50 megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 50 megapixel primary camera supported by an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel mono camera. Also, the phone offers a 32 megapixel front camera with an Exmor RS sensor. The software version of the OnePlus Nord 2 is Android 11 with Oxygen OS. So guys, that's it for OnePlus Nord 2. Thank you so much for watching this video.